Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm Stacy and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. I'm actually recording after work today. Something that I never do. I normally record, well no, not never. I haven't recorded after work in a long time. This is the first time I've done it in this, no. It's been a while. I don't remember. Shoot. But what I do know, there's something in this box that I have been eagerly awaiting. If you guys want to know what is in this box, stay tuned. All right, I'm not wasting time. I am not wasting any time. And this box is packaged different. Oh, crap. This box is packaged different than the other ones, and I don't want to mess up my ring or anything. So let me see if I can open it on the other side. There we go. Oh, here we go. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm going to put this in as close as I can and see if you guys can read that. If you cannot read that, it says Off-White CO Nike. I got my hand on my first pair of Off-Whites and Nike collabs. I've never been able to get my hands on any of them. There have been some that have come out that I could have gotten before, but I wasn't that, you know, into them. But this one, I went for. So let's open up the brick box. I'm gonna show you guys the inside of the box. Right here it says Off-White with the Nike swoosh. Well, you say Off-White and then Nike swoosh in the middle. Right here in black with the top being neon green. Here's the paper in blue, which is the Off-White paper. Yes, I'm going to keep this box. I only have 2 boxes that I have kept. Well, actually, no, technically, there's a box over here. There's a box over here. You can kind of see. And there's a box behind me, behind the camera here. Oh, that's my egg. Anyway. Yikes. Okay, I've only seen pictures, and I think I saw it on foot earlier in a video, someone else's video, but these are the Off-White. These are the Off-White. I can't even talk. Air Force One mids in white. I'm going to show you guys a close up here. Jeez. Oh my God. Here's the bottom sole. They have these little prickly things on the bottom sole. It has the Off-White tag in a loud coral. I did hear this tag can be removed. I am not removing it. Velcro strap across the top that is black. It has the Off-White writing on the side by the swoosh. The swoosh is see-through. Box reads Air Force One Mid SP. Colorway is white, clear white. This is a men's 7.5, women's 9. As you guys know, I am a woman's 9. Let me go ahead and take this shoe out of, let me take the other shoe out the box. I am holding on to, like I said, I am keeping the box. Let me see which way was this folded. This was folded this way. I am keeping the box. As you guys can see right behind my head, I have the Off-White bag that was done with in collaboration with IKEA. So that box is probably going to sit right in front of the bag. Hopefully. That's probably where I'm going to put it. But let me give you guys a close-up of the shoe. As you guys see, the color is, the full shoe is a white. The looks like there is a Velcro strap that is in like a silvery gray. The swoosh is clear. You have the Off-White tab that is a corally pink. You go to the front, you have the drawstring that's in a blue and green. Come around to the other side. You have the off-white writing in, what is that, gray. And into the back, you have the pull tab and the Nike Air on the back. The tongue is, let me see, pull this out. I'm going to pull this out real quick so you can see the tongue. The tongue is in gray also, and it says Nike Air. No, it just says Air on that in gray stitching, if you can see that. I'm actually making dinner right now. Let me pull that out. Here's the sock liner right there, all in white with, what is that, the off-white symbol in the bottom of the sock, in the bottom of the shoe, in the sole, and the and the actual sole is, let's see, green, pink, with a little bit blue on the side, all with these little prickly. It's funny, I saw somebody say that these look like mountain climbing shoes. I'm okay with that. I'm always okay with a good mountain climbing shoe. So, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna style this up. I already have some stuff in mind. I actually have an outfit sitting on the door, not my coat closet door, that I was thinking about for this. Now I'm trying to debate, would I still do that? Probably will. So I'm gonna go ahead. Let's do some fashions. You can see a nice little, some outfits, sunglasses, bag, and things I'm gonna pair up with these shoes, and I'll be back so we can finish this up. Okay, for this outfit to go with my, what am I wearing today? My Air Force One off-white mids. I went with this sweatshirt dress I got from Old Navy. I think I picked this up in 2020. I wanted to pull the gray from the shoe, and then it has like a bluish teal green, which is also in the shoe. I paired it with my Fenty tote that I picked up from Farfetch. It came from a boutique in Sweden or Switzerland. I don't know. It was just pretty cool to get that package. And my sunglasses, these are from Oscar de la Renta. I got these at a resale shop here in St. Louis, and I think it was Women's Closet Exchange. I think, but they closed some years back. But anyway, it's not about what else, all the other stuff I'm wearing. It's about the shoe here. Yes, I'm showing some leg so you guys can see that beautiful calf popping. But okay, let me tell you about this shoe. These shoes are actually really, really comfortable. If you guys have Air Force Ones, it's an Air Force One basically. The only difference is it does have these little prickly pieces on the bottom. When I give you guys a close-up, we're gonna see them a little bit better. But they don't feel any different because of the little prickly things. It's a little weird, but I think it's really cool to walk in them. I like how they look on my feet and with the dress. It's really cute. Let me put the bag down really quick. But it's really cool to wear with this dress, something different to kind of dress it up, but then have this really big shoe on with it. Like I said, I really like how the shoe fits. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put you guys on the floor so you guys can see a better close-up on the shoe. Okay, and here's a close-up of the shoe on foot. You guys can see the swoosh is see-through, which is really cool. It's like, I guess, yeah, see-through, duh. And you can see the little prickly pieces. I'm gonna turn around to the back so you guys can see the prickly pieces on the bottom of the shoe. They feel kind of weird. And I guess, you know what it made me, when I saw them, what made me think was golf cleats. That's something that I actually kind of thought about when I looked at these shoes. And I think, I don't know if he was going for golf cleats, or like somebody described them as mountain climbing shoes, which I thought was really funny. But I think the shoe was really cool. I'm gonna get in on the inside of the shoe so you guys can see the writing. I really like the shoe. I really think the shoe is a cool looking shoe. And you could kind of wear like a dress or something, kind of toughen it up with this shoe. So it's not so dressy. But like this is more of a sweatshirt, so you kind of, you know, you're keeping it casual with this shoe. But to be honest, this shoe is super comfortable. They're not hard to walk in. The little pricklies were weird for a second, but I got past that really quick. Okay, and for this outfit, I went with a oversized blue suit that I picked up from H&M back in 2020. I think it was 2020 or 2021. No, I think I got this in 2021. I don't remember. For the t-shirt, I went with this graphic tee. This is a shirt from the official site, I think, for the movie The Blues Brothers. So I have Jake and Elwood on my chest. So also for the bag, I went with my Coach Eddie bag in gray pebbled leather and suede. Sunglasses, these are Marc Jacobs glasses. I picked up 2018, 2019, I can't remember. But anyway, with the shoe, funny thing, like I said, when I first saw this shoe, I thought blue was going to be the color. And then I realized gray would be a better color. So, of course, I pulled a gray bag with the blue suit because I still wanted to pull some blue out on it. I'm going to work. It's, you know, corporate. I'm crazy. I like my suits with my sneakers. I have a thing for suits and sneakers, especially men in suits and sneakers. But when women do it, it's really cool too because, you know, we kind of make it a little, you know, we jazz it up, we funk it up. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna give you guys another closer look of the shoes on foot in these pants, and then we gonna close out the video. Okay, and here's the shoe on foot. I gotta lift up my pants because, like I said, these are a oversized suit pant. Here's the shoe one more time, a little bit closer. Something I didn't mention earlier, these shoes is like a contraption to put them on. There are two sets of strings. You have the white string that's in there, and then you have this gray string that's on top. You have to lace them both or find a way to lace them so you don't have to lace them at all. I have not figured out how I want to lace them yet. But yeah, this shoe, it's a fun shoe. You could do it with just about anything. Because also you can throw some green in there. You have pink, you have the blue. The shoe is a predominantly gray shoe. So you can do, like I said, you can do a lot. And then with the tag having that pop of color right there, the tag and on the end of the swoosh having that pop of like orangey coral color to it, it's really cool. So like I said, these are a fun shoe. They're very comfortable. They just, you know, it's a little bit to kind of get in and out of, but or to get into really. But like I said, I love the shoe. They're super comfortable like a regular Air Force One is. Okay, and I'm back. Hopefully you guys like what I put together to go with these shoes. Oh, wow. These are, wow. I don't even know what to say right now. These shoes are so cool. I like that they're different. I like that they are not a normal, typical Air Force One mid or Air Force One low, which right here, these are the Serena Air Force One lows. Or Air Force Ones. I mean, I have mids in my collection back here, but nothing like this. So let me give you guys one more close up and we're gonna wrap this up. And that's right, this is the left shoe. Now they put the pull tag on the left shoe because I'm a lefty. Ooh. The cool thing is I could have probably switched this out, but that's all right. I'm keeping it right where it is. Here is a close-up of the shoe one more time. This is the Air Jordan Off-White collab. Air Force One mid in white and clear. Here's the side with the pull tab, and these actually the shoes are see-through. I just noticed when I took the paper out of them, they're an actual see-through shoe. So the shoes are all white with gray writing and a gray Velcro strap that goes all the way, and the gray goes all the way around, along with a gray and white lace. The sole is gray, green with a little bit of pink and blue. You have the off-white tab in a corally, probably a coral pink. I guess that's the best color to do. We have a clear pull tab on the back with Nike Air written on the back, stitched in gray, and Air stitched in gray on the tongue. Oh my gosh, this is a cool ass shoe. This is a really cool shoe. I've been waiting for this shoe to come in, and I I keep looking at the monitor. I just noticed I keep looking at the monitor, looking at the shoe in the monitor instead of looking at you guys. And I'm so sorry. I am just extra excited about getting a shoe because I never thought I would be able to get one of the Off-White collabs. Unfortunately, I was able to pick it up after Virgil passed away, but that's okay. I got something. I mean, I got the book, I got the bag, and now I got a pair of the shoes. Maybe I can get another pair. We shall see. I don't know. I'm not predicting anything. I can just keep my fingers crossed and just stay hopeful that the sneaker gods would just help your girl out. So I'm gonna get out of here. I got dinner cooking. I need to get, you know, I need to eat, and I start fasting in like 30 minutes. So if you guys like videos like this and you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Liking and subscribing are free of charge to everyone involved. Also, if you guys want to read anything, go over to my blog, sneakersandhandbags.net, where I just talk about what's on my mind at the moment, from music, shoes, handbags, home decor, marketing, whatever. It's all over there. And that's it. I'm gonna have links to the shoes if I can find them, because these shoes sold out. They sold out on Off-White's site, and they sold out on the Nike sneakers app. So if I can find them retail, I don't know. Oh, how much did I pay for these? I just realized I didn't tell y'all how much I paid for these shoes. Well, actually, no, I had it on the bottom of the screen. I'm not even gonna go through all of that, but I had it on the bottom of the screen earlier. So like I said, I'm gonna get out of here. I need to eat. Love, peace, and hair products. Bye. Oh, and shoes too. Bye. All right. Can you see it? Yeah. All right.